Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Rithmic versus Project X, Apex versus Bulenox market data feeds comparison. When it comes to market data feeds and prop trading, two names stand out: Rithmic and Project X, most often seen with firms like Apex Trader, Funding, and Bulenox. Choosing the right one directly affects your speed, accuracy, and platform compatibility. Rithmic is built for professionals who need ultra low latency, direct exchange access, and seamless integration with platforms like NinjaTrader, Bookmap, or Jigsaw. It's excellent for scalpers and power users, though setup can be a bit complex and it doesn't support Trade of 8. On the other hand, Project X is cloud based, beginner friendly, and fully integrated with Trade08 platform. It's simple, easy to manage, and great for casual traders or evaluations. But it has higher latency, fewer advanced order types, and limited platform support. So speed and execution matter the most. Rhythmic is a clear choice, but if convenience and ease of use are your priority, Project X is the way to go. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.